It's been a while. Been 2 weeks now since we dropped the latest video. That's a video on the support and resistance. Alright, I just want to take a midweek review on some few currency pairs. I hope you enjoy this one. Right here I'm on Euro Aussie, the Euro zone, and the Australian dollars. Like I said on earlier on, I don't trade major pairs. I might have 1 or 2 major pairs, but more often than not, I love to keep it very simple, minor pairs, because they move very smoothly. So earlier on this week, on Monday, we're on this trade from this level here. We had kind of a consolidation after we bounced off the weekly trend line. So we bounced off of this level. I took some few buys there down to this point, and I was on the trade. I just closed my profit. We saw that the market broke this previous low here. I was expecting the market to push downward, but the market couldn't push any more down, and it came back up this level and break this level here on the fan support. So if we go down to a smaller time frame on the 1 hour, we could see the market already break its structure. We could see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we'll see this is a kind of higher high and break this previous lower low here. So coming back to retest this level. So I'm looking forward to take this this currency pair. I'm looking forward to take a buy, and also have another confidence here. This is about a double bottom here. So I'm currently buying this currency pair. I exited the trade I took on Monday, and yeah, it was on Monday. Wednesday. Yeah, I just closed the trade now, so I'm taking a buy from here. Stop loss, very tight stop loss, and long position. I'm looking towards yeah, so yeah, this is my 22 pip stop loss. Then my take profit should be around this level here. I'm looking towards 192 pips, so very simple. So I'll just reduce my lot size very small, so that even if I lost this trade, I'm still up. Okay, so the profit I make will cover up for me, cover up for the trade. So keep it very simple. So if you want to buy this trade, you can also look for an entry. Maybe if you break this high, you can also buy to continue the trade. But currently, on this pair, I'm looking for to buy. All right. So that's on that. So let's look at my next pair here. Euro Aussie. I'm currently in profit on this trade. I'm looking forward to see Euro Aussie. The reason why dollar, sorry, I say Euro Aussie. This is dollar Swiss franc. I love this. The reason why I think this is the only dollar pair. No, I also trade pound dollar at times. The reason why I love this pair is because of its moves. Like you're looking for a pair for a long-term swing trade. I think this is the best pair for you. You can use this one, Euro Swiss franc, very smooth and up and down. So I was a buy yesterday, took a buy on this trade yesterday, and yeah, initially I was on the buy from this level here. Yeah, took a buy from here, yeah, around this zone here, and I took my take profit around this level here because we saw consolidation here. It was giving us an equal high. Yeah, so I thought it was gonna come down, so I closed the trade. So coming up here, bringing this level here, I was expecting the trade to give me a retest. There was no retest around this level, so it pushed up to the upside, and I decided to take a buy. I think that was yesterday as well. Yeah, yesterday. So I'm currently in profit on this trade. I'm looking forward this currency pair to move higher. This is the daily time frame. You can see on the daily time frame we have a very strong bullish. We engulf this previous day candle, and if you go down to the 4-hour, you see a kind of a lower higher on the 4-hour, something like that. So sometimes you don't check this thing very well, you think the price is going the other way, but meanwhile it's going up. So look at the daily time frame, you can see a very strong bullish candle here. So expecting this trade to get to this level here, so it might take a very long time, and we've broken this level here, so there's a possibility of this trade getting to this level. So when we break this structure here, this concept can break this structure here, you can possibly look for the next structure, which is this level here. Which is this level here. So when we break this level, we're looking forward to this next level. Then finally I'll take profit, because we can have a very long-term downtrend. So for here to this place, we can have maybe a push to the upside, a retrace, a push to the upside, a retrace. But currently this currency pair is on the long time uptrend, at least to this level here. I'm not gonna get to this level and break this level to up like that. So I'm buying. So I'm more like a swing and intraday trader. I love swing trade because I don't have to stay in the market all the time, watch all this and stuff like that. So imagine just buying from this level, then holding your position. Just use a very small lot size, and you'll be making a lot, and that's going to keep you very, very focused. So that's why I love this pair for swing trade. You can see the chart is very clear and very beautiful to behold. So I'm currently in the buying this trend, so you can also look at buying. So I tell people, make the trend your friend, like they've always said. The market is up, buy. If it's down, except you're scalping. If you're scalping, you just want to get in and out, fine, you can do that. So this is currently on uptrend. We've broken this level, we're looking forward to buy. So you can also look for an entry maybe tomorrow. It's not still late. Tomorrow you can scale down to the 15-minute time frame and watch for a pullback. Definitely there's still going to be a pullback on this pair. I could see it now, maybe a pullback to this level, then you can buy up, or even down to this level. So you just watch out. When you get a pullback, you can buy. Just get a pullback, you buy. Best way to continue trend is after a pullback. Don't get the trend is already moving, so you saw a big candle moving up, oh, let me buy. Once you get a pullback, that's the little way you can get in. So I'm currently on this trade now, and I'm watching for a long time to the upside. Okay, so move down to indices. Yeah, I trade indices sometimes on US 30 and the Nasdaq. Let me get rid of this stuff here. I think that the Nasdaq is more moving very smooth than the US 30. The US 30 is kind of a bit choppy, So I removed the US 30 from my chart, so I trading with the Nasdaq now. Right, so the Nasdaq, the way I trade the Nasdaq, I trade the Nasdaq on swing. I love to swing the Nasdaq on weekly time frame. That's on the 4-hour time frame. Reason being because of my lot size. This is very, when you use too much lot size, it can blow your account. So I reduce my lot size and I go to the 4-hour to look for an entry. Currently now there's no entry here. I'm waiting for a pullback. Once I get a pullback, then I can sell down. But we're on a downtrend. Let me give you for instance. Let's start from here so you can understand very clearly. We could see the Nasdaq start from this level here, and let's see. Right. Yeah, I set this level. So we came down from this level here, lower low, lower high, lower low, and we pushed to the upside, and we came down to form kind of a higher low. We pushed that, we couldn't break this level, we break this level, I'll be looking for a buy. So they couldn't break this level. We came back down here, the same thing again. You can quickly take a short, no scalping, down to this point. And so we broke to this upside, and finally we broke this level, a retest. What I do is I take my Fibonacci 0.1, sorry, take my Fibonacci, swing trade, just weekly, kind of weekly swing. So my Fibonacci from there 1.2, very good entry at 61.80. so my entry will be at this level. I'm buying from, sorry, so my entry will be at this level here. So you could see this candlestick formation here, and we have a buy swing trade down to the Fibonacci level, which is this level here. So you could see very tight stop loss, and I use a very small lot size, so even if I'm losing the trade, I'll be losing much. So that's why I love to swing on this trade. So each time it gets to take profit level, all I'm going to do is just wait for the pullback. Once we get to pullback, we get another entry. So I take my Fibonacci again, since it's at this level, from this level here, 1.2 down again to 61.8. you see this level again, 61.8 again. So I take profit here, and I was listening for a pullback, couldn't get a very good pullback, and we saw that the market broke this level here, broke it, became a downtrend. I couldn't take it because I'm waiting for a pullback. Love pullback, because the pullback is going to tell me where the take profit is going to be. So I was waiting for a pullback, it came down. Now we can see the market is consolidating here, expecting the market to push down to this level, then give us a pullback. Then with that pullback, we can have a take profit, because when we get that pullback, we just pull out the Fibonacci 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then we take profit. So for now, I'm just watching the trade. It might take 2-3 days, fine. Even if it's just one trade, I can take a week on this pair, fine. If I can take one trade on each pair a week, at least have a three trade, and I will be making a lot than just trading anyhow. And this might not be the best way to trade. You might have your own way to trade. I think this is how I find it. This is my strategy. I love to keep things very simple. So the other pair I have here is the pound dollar and the Euro JPY. So this pair is not really moving that fast. So what I do is each time I move into the chart, I'm just moving maybe during the London section. If I have an entry for a scalp, I just scalp. The same strategy I use on the what's it called, on the higher time frame, the same thing I use on the 15-minute time frame. Break a structure, give me a Fibonacci level, I buy. Break a structure, give me a Fibonacci level, I buy. Then if we don't have that, maybe we can have a kind of reversal pattern, maybe the M, the W pattern, then we could just take very entry. So that's how I trade. So I just want to keep this video very simple. This is Traders Union Live, so I want you to support the channel, like the video. If you like the video, subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop the question below there. So whatever we do in this channel is going to be free. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good trading day ahead of you. Thank you.